Hey everyone, this is Graham, the Quality Assurance Manager here at Power. We are releasing a new requirement for secondary flashing on all tile roof penetrations, and so I'm just going to kind of go over the new requirements here in this video. So, tile roofs, we tend to see a little more leaks than other roof types, so Power is now again requiring that secondary flashing system to be used in conjunction with the tile hook or other tile attachments. And this is the preferred method that we have. So as always, you're going to lift the tile, you're going to find the rafters, you're probably going to drill some pilot holes. And if you miss that rafter, we want that pilot hole plugged with a wooden dowel, such as seen in this photo, and then covered in this Chem Link or some other approved sealant for the roofing industry. Next, we are going to clean all the debris off of the roof surface with either a little handheld blower or a brush. And then we're going to spray the underlayment with some additional adhesive. We really like this Protecto Tack from Protecto Wrap, but really any other spray-on adhesive that's approved for the roofing industry would be sufficient. Next, just like you always do, you're going to apply your M1. You're going to lay the tile hook, and then you're going to cover the top of the tile hook with flashing tape. You can buy any butyl style metal flashing tape that is roofing industry approved, such as what you see in the photo here, or Snap and Rack makes these really nice kits where they come with two little pieces already pre-cut and ready to rock. We really do like that product. You're going to apply it over the attachment. You are going to use a little handheld roller to apply pressure to that tape and get it to adhere nice and solid. And you're going to document every single step of this process in SiteCapture, just like you always would. Now, just as a reminder, this is nothing new, but Power also requires this for all of their conduit penetrations as well. We really like this Easy Solar JB-2 junction box. It already comes ready to rock with a two-tier flashing approach. If you prefer to use your own flashings, that is fine as well. But again, we are going to require one flashing at the decking level where the conduit penetrates the roof, and then one at the tile level to make water obviously stay above the tiles. So again, make that roof penetration with the conduit, seal it with some M1, cover it with some flashing tape or a hard flashing, whatever you prefer. Return the tiles and then put on that tile flashing. Well, everyone, I appreciate it. Till next time, take care.